Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if Modern Warfare 3 is not launching. It can due to various reasons such as outdated drivers, corrupted game files or software conflicts. Here are steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First step is to update the graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause launching issues. To fix that, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The second step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can prevent the game from launching. To verify that, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 and select properties. Select install files and select verify integrity of game files. If you are using battle.net, you just need to open the battle.net and go to your game tab. Click on the clock icon next to the play button and then select scan and repair. After doing it, just close stuff here. The third step is to disable overlay applications. Overlay applications can interfere with the game. You just need to disable overlay from applications like Discord, GeForce Experience and Steam. To do this, open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and select properties. You just need to disable this option, guys. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. You just need to disable it. After doing it, just to close stuff here. To disable in Discord, you just need to open up Discord. Click on the user setting icon. On left side, you just need to find overlays, game overlay. You just need to click on it. On right side, enable in-game overlay. You just need to toggle off position. After doing it, just close stuff here. Next, you need to disable in GeForce Experience. To do this, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. Select the setting gear icon and you just need to scroll down. In-game overlay. In my case, that option is not available. You just need to disable this option, guys, in-game overlay. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The fourth step is to close background applications. Other applications running in the background can cause conflicts. To close that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Processes tab, you just need to end unnecessary tasks, especially resource heavy applications. Just right click on it and select End Task It. After doing it, just close stuff here. The fifth step is to update Windows. Ensure your operating system is up to date. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting you are up to date, just close stuff here. The sixth step is to set launch options. Setting specific launch options can help resolve conflicts. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and select properties. And you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just copy and paste it under the launch options, and after that click on outside to save it and then close stuff here. The seventh step is to reinstall the game. If all else fails, reinstall the game can resolve persistent issues. Uninstall the Modern Warfare from Steam or battle.net. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and select manage and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you just need to reinstall the game from Steam or battle.net and check if the problem solved or not. The eighth step is to check for conflicting software. Certain software can conflict with the game. You just need to temporarily disable or uninstall the third-party antivirus program and check for software that might interfere with the game, such as other gaming software or utilities like Razer, Logitech, MSI, Afterburner, or RiverTuner. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Modern Warfare 2 not launching problem and get back to playing the game. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.